Hello, here with another satisfied customer for Absolute. What's your name, ma'am?
Sandy Andrus.
And what did Absolute come out here to do for you?
They came out to perform my annual service and maintenance on my AC and my furnace.
And are you satisfied with our results?
150%.
Great, that's good to hear. Would you recommend this to friends, families, neighbors?
I do. I have a homeowners association page that's very active in this sort of home referral services. And I constantly throw Absolute Heating's name out there, and I don't know if they followed up on it, but at least I get it out there. And I am also on local Facebook pages, referral pages, and I've always put them out there for that as well.
That's great to hear. I'm glad we got to come out here and do this service for you. It's been a pleasure, Stephanie.
It's been my pleasure.